Oh, Miami!
Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National
Good
Weather
timing,
Service
Miami.
between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings in selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAVE that is short for specific area message encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAVE allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAVE radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAVE program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
Okay. Now that Miami's done, time to wait on TBW.
Please tell me you aren't recording.
Oh, yes, I am.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour
Yeah.
voice of the National Weather Service. The signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida.
Although I got the, yeah, I did get the test there.
The system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test for the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
That pretty much sums it up for TBW's test.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. Signal with the test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.